This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting Tor installed and confirming the SOCKS address. This is the foundation. Once done, open Tor browser or start the Tor daemon so a local SOCKS 5 listener appears. Make sure your firewall permits outbound Tor traffic, and note which port Tor uses 9050 or 9150. Then choose how you will route an application. Point it directly at the SOCKS proxy, use a system proxy setting, or prepare proxy chains /Tor SOCKS for command line apps. You next wire individual applications to Tor. For GUI apps, enter 127, 0, 0, 1, 9050 as a SOCKS 5 proxy and enable the app's DNS over proxy option to avoid leaks. For terminal tools, install and configure Tor SOCKS or proxy chains, update their config to reference the Tor port and any bounce rules. Once configured, start the app through the wrapper or with the proxy settings applied. Then perform a controlled IP check, and simple site load to verify traffic is leaving. You finish by tightening settings and validating reliability. Disable IPv6 to prevent leaks, avoid browser plugins, and clear cookies. Consider using Tor browser when possible for consistent privacy. If something fails, check Tor logs for bootstrap or circuit errors, ensure your firewall isn't blocking Tor, and confirm the SOCKS port you set matches Tor's listener. Once fixed, run repeat tests and document the exact proxy settings that worked so you can restore them quickly if an update breaks the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.